You work hard, pay your bills, maybe even have a savings account, but somehow it still feels like you're always behind. No matter how much you earn, there's always something pulling you back, like you're running on a treadmill that never stops. Society told us, get a degree, land a job, be responsible, and money will take care of itself. But the truth? That formula stopped working a long time ago. Today, doing everything right doesn't guarantee security, it just keeps you stuck in the same loop. The truth? The system was never designed to teach women how to build wealth, just how to survive within it. And while you're doing your best to keep up, the rules of money keep changing and no one bothered to hand you the playbook. You're not bad with money, you were just never shown the real rules. And if nothing changes, 5 years from now, the gap between women who get it and those who don't will be massive. You deserve to be on the winning side, not just surviving, but thriving. What if I told you wealthy women don't work harder, they just think differently? Hey, I'm Bella, and welcome to Money Talk, where we keep it real about money, success, and the mindset behind wealth. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you want real conversations about money that actually make sense. And just a quick note, this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. In this video, we'll break down the secret habits, mindset shifts, and life rules that wealthy women live by and how you can start applying them today. So let's get into it. Wealthy women don't just see money as numbers on a spreadsheet, they see it as energy, flow, and freedom. They understand that money moves toward clarity, confidence, and purpose. Think of money like oxygen. It's not about grabbing as much as you can, but about letting it flow freely. The more you trust that flow, the easier it becomes to breathe financially. Studies show that women reinvest nearly 90% of their income back into their families and communities. Yet, so many hesitate when it comes to investing in themselves, their growth, their peace, their dreams. Most women hustle endlessly for security, but wealthy women, they build systems for freedom. Because true wealth isn't about working harder, it's about designing a life that keeps giving back to you. Wealthy women don't just budget, they spend with intention. Every dollar they use has a mission behind it: growth, joy, and purpose. It's not about restriction, it's about direction. They don't just ask, can I afford this? They ask, does this align with who I want to become? Intentional spending turns every purchase into a reflection of self-worth and vision. Here's their secret formula: 40% for growth, 30% for living, 20% for joy, and 10% for giving. It's not math, it's mindfulness. Every percent has power. Instead of guilt, they attach gratitude and strategy to their spending. Like Oprah said, you can have it all, just not all at once. It's about knowing what's worth it right now. One income is too close to none. Wealthy women know that relying on a single paycheck is like walking a tightrope without a safety net. It's not just about earning, it's about creating options. According to Forbes, 65% of self-made female millionaires have at least 3 income streams. Some have day jobs, side hustles, and investments, all working together to build true financial independence. Imagine earning from your 9 to 5, your digital products, and your investments even while you sleep. That's not luck. That's design. It's about building systems that work when you don't. Most people chase job promotions. Wealthy women chase income freedom because they know promotions give titles, but multiple streams give time, peace, and power. Money confidence equals money control. The moment you stop whispering about money and start owning your worth, everything changes. Confident women don't shy away from money talk. They lead it. Here's the crazy part: research shows women are 50% less likely to negotiate their salary. And that hesitation? It can cost over $1 million across a lifetime. Imagine how different your future looks if you spoke up just once. Rich women talk numbers at brunch, they make money a normal topic. They share tips, goals, even mistakes, because confidence grows when money isn't taboo anymore. As Sally Krawcheck says, money is power, and women need to own it. Owning it means knowing your value, setting boundaries, and having the confidence to say, I deserve more. Here's the truth: investing isn't about luck, it's about time. The earlier you start, the more your money gets to grow and do the heavy lifting for you. If you invested just $300 a month starting at 25, you could have over $1 million by 60. That's not magic, that's compound growth quietly working behind the scenes. That's real freedom, being able to choose work you love, not work you need. Imagine waking up excited, not exhausted, because your money is working while you sleep. Most people wait until they have extra money to invest, but wealthy women flip that mindset. They make investing the priority, not the afterthought. You ever notice how your energy shifts depending on who you hang out with? That's not random, it's influence. The people closest to you shape how big you dream, how you think, and how you move with money. You've probably heard the saying, you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. And it's true, your conversations, your mindset, even your bank account often mirror your circle. Wealthy women don't just network, they build circles that challenge, uplift, and expand them. They talk about ideas, assets, and goals, not gossip. As Eleanor Roosevelt said, great minds discuss ideas, average minds discuss events. So choose your circle wisely, because your tribe can either elevate you or limit you. Wealth isn't just a number in your bank account, it's a lifestyle philosophy. Wealthy women don't chase money, they design lives that attract it. It's about how you think, what you value, and how you show up every single day. Most wealthy women don't start their day with chaos, they start with clarity. Journaling, gratitude, and visualization aren't just trends, they're mental workouts. It's how they train their minds to see opportunities, not obstacles. To them, luxury isn't about labels, it's about freedom. Freedom to choose where they live, what they do, and who they spend their time with. They live softly but think strategically, and that's their real glow up. The biggest trap: looking rich instead of being rich. True wealth isn't flashy, it's peaceful. It's being able to sleep at night knowing your money is working while you rest. That's the real flex. So, what do wealthy women know that others don't? That money is power, energy, and a mirror of how much you believe in your own worth. They play the long game, they invest in themselves, and they never apologize for wanting more. If this inspired you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs this reminder. And tell me in the comments what's one money habit you're committing to this month. This is Bella, and you've been watching Money Talk. Real talk, smart money, with Bella. Until next time, keep leveling up, ladies.